Hello, hello everybody, it's Mindy, and look it, I have stuff to show you. This is from DPClubs. Thank you, DPClubs, for sending this for me to show everybody. I added to my collection. Let's start with that one, it's on the top. Let's start with this one. I'm adding to the collection of the dessert cups. That's what I'm calling them, the dessert cups, because I have a dessert in them, okay? So I got March. I'm working backwards, and I'm going backwards. I have April, May, June, July, no, backwards, March. Anyhow, there it is. Isn't it cute? I need to zoom in a little bit here. Let's zoom in for you. Okay, so I love these. They're so cute. I am going to get them all. I don't know when I'll ever get to finish all of them, but I'm going to get them all, okay? Because they're really cute. I like them. I can see using these as just a monthly decoration in my home, and I like that idea. So here it is. There's a legend on each side, 20 colors, a lot of greens. I'm going to guess a lot of greens, okay? I think some of these would be fun to add some ABs to, like maybe a little AB in the cup here would be fun. You know, maybe make the letters a sparkler or something. I don't know. I'm going to wait until I start working on them to see what I kind of come up with. Or maybe make a shamrock, a sparkler. I don't know. They'd be fun. Something to embellish them a little bit. Anyhow, don't want to open all these. I don't think I need to because it's a big old package. Let me zoom you in so you can see them first of all. And we'll kind of look at the colors. So here's all the white background, which we've already talked about this before. If this is the first time you see me doing one of these, I'm going to cut off a lot of this white background so this fits in a 12 by 12 frame. And I don't need all of this white, all right? Some of it, a little bit, but not much, okay? And it's literally just a bunch of greens, golds, and browns. That's what it is. Those are the colors. Several greens, several brownish tan colors, and some goldish colors. So that's what we have. I like these. Not that the more I'm looking at them, the more I'm thinking about, what could I do to embellish this a little bit? Getting some ideas in my head. I need to start working on one. All right. Here's the toolkit that comes with them. I kept one toolkit for you. All right, I think the rest are all special drills, I believe. So look at this guy. I love it. They're coming out with so many more of the gnomes in special drills. I'm so excited by that. Love this guy. Just the big sunflower here. He's got his guitar with sunflowers on it. He's got sunflowers on his hat. Peace, man. Peace. Peace, love, you know. So cute. I love them. The only thing that could make this better is if it had a colored background to it. That would be cool. But anyhow, it's got 14 different colors and shapes and stuff. So let's look at them. Show what we got. What do we have? Ooh, we got some pretty stuff in here. Ooh, I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, we're going backwards or something. Okay, here's our rhinestones. Rhinestones, rhinestones. Okay, this one is smoke colored. Smoky, a brown, topaz, a blue, a clear. No, that's blue, very light blue. Sorry, I thought it was clear at first. Yeah. Yellow, orange. There's the clear. What else do we have? What else do we have? A very light pink, a very pretty purple, a green, a yellow, another brown, a black AB. How pretty. That's going to be pretty. And we have this green with purple marquee. That black, where's the black going to go? 13 is the X. I'm certain it's just going to outline. Outline, 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 outline. All the black's going to outline. Yay. How pretty. I need to do some special drills. I haven't done any in a long time. I'm feeling the need to do some. All right. Maybe it'll be one of these. I don't know. How about this one? What do you think about that one? I like it. I love the jars. I may have this in a full drill. I may. I don't know. It's possible. Very like March looking, right? With the horseshoe and whatnot. And all of the little flowers down here. This is going to have quite a few special drills. It's got 15 different shapes, colors, sizes. I love the sunflowers. Oh my gosh, I love this one. Let's see what we have. I think we got some good stuff in here. Let's see. We're going to have some shards. Maybe not huge ones, but we're going to have some shards. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, let's start with the rhinestones. Rhinestones, rhinestones. Yellow, brown, orangey brown. 1 green, 2 greens. Oh, wow, let's just throw some special stuff in the middle here. Okay. Some gold marquees. Oh, look it. We have 2 different shades of shards. We have clear. Oh, yeah, for the daisies here. The daisies get the clear, and the sunflowers get the golden yellow. Beautiful. We have some small clear marquees. Now let's go back to a rhinestone. These are just all mumble jumbled. 2 bags of, no, 1, 2, 3 bags of these green teardrops. 3. Oh yeah, all of these down here are going to get the teardrops. All of these up here. Oh, beautiful. Love it. Now we have a clear rhinestone, another green, a lime greeny yellow, and I don't know what that color is. I have no idea what that is. It's like a very light, smoky gray color. Love it. Wow, I told you to have a lot of specials, right? What do you think? Cute. Cute. Love it. Okay, I got one more. One more. Okay, it's a theme. Look, we have some more jars. Mason jars, our ball jars, whatever. These are ball, mason, ball, whatever. Anyhow, look at all the specials this is going to get. This whole flower, which I think is a hydrangea. The daisies. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it. You know, I love to do my flowers like this. Just grab a jar, put a ribbon around it or twine, throw some flowers in them. They're so pretty. Love it. This one has 10 different drills. We'll call them drills. All right, what do we got? We have clear, a green, a yellow. Oh, black resin. I'm going to assume that's going to make the letters and part of the ribbon and stuff like that. A brown. Oh, wow. Look at the shards. Holy cow. Okay, for all of this flower, all the daisies, I think, are going to be these clear. They're not totally clear. They're iridescent, though. Can you tell they're iridescent? They're picking up pink and blue and other colors. Love those. Look. Oh, sorry. We're folded here. Then we have some marquees. Those are iridescent as well. Oh, some blue, some black. And look at those beauties right there. Those are gorgeous. That's our hydrangea over here. That's for the hydrangea. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, I don't know what I would do first. I really don't. These are all so pretty. What do you think? I love this one. This was very summery. This one's very Marchy. The gnome is very, excuse me, very summery as well. So this one would probably be the most appropriate for right now, the summer one. And of course, March, you know, he's March, right? Our dessert cup is for March. But anyhow, love it. Love, 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 love. It's all very green, isn't it? Lots and lots of green and yellow. It's a thing. I'm telling you, I was on a roll. It's a theme. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will make sure to link these below for you so you can check them out. And if you love them as much as I do and you want to get some, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you come back, see more stuff. Just spend some time with me. Just, you know, be entertained for a few minutes anyhow. Even if you're not wanting to buy anything. Just entertainment value, right? Entertainment. All right. Thanks for hanging out for a while. I will talk to you guys real soon. Take it easy, stay safe, and enjoy your day. I'll talk to you soon. Bye, everybody.